Jenny here with another Onshape tech tip. Need to modify imported parts to add draft? Stay tuned, this tip shows you how. Often in the design process, parts are imported that were designed in other CAD systems. Typically, those parts need to be modified or adjusted based on feedback from manufacturing and tooling vendors. This tech tip shows you how to modify imported geometry to add draft, even if it has fillets. Using the draft analysis tool, it is determined the draft is needed on the faces in yellow. This part needs to have draft applied to all outer walls. Since there are fillets and cutouts along the top edge, draft cannot be applied using traditional methods. If the part had been designed in Onshape, the first feature could be modified to add draft, and our work would be complete. But alas, that is not the case. To apply draft, the small fillets first need to be removed. Since the part is imported, the user will not have access to the fillet feature in the feature list. There are a few options in Onshape. Use an extrude or sweep feature to add material back to the top edges. Use the delete face option to remove the faces and heal to remove the fillets, or use the Modify Fillet tool. Choose Modify Fillet and then choose those fillets to modify. You have the option to change radius or completely remove the fillet. In 2 quick clicks, we are all set. Once the fillets are removed, draft can quickly be applied and verified. Then the fillets reapplied. This tech tip helped you to learn how to use the Modify Fillet tool. We have more resources for you to learn about related features like direct editing in our Learning Center. Thanks for watching.